Hey folks, some people ask if a caliper, the dust boot, if it ever gets a rip in it, is it important? Look at this caliper. This caliper, the boot actually popped out. And look at all the dirt and the rust that's in that cylinder. Now that cylinder is supposed to be nice and smooth, protected by the boot so that it slides in and out. But once that boot is ripped open or popped out, like in this instance, you are now full of dirt, and that caliper piston is not going to be pushing in anymore. Okay, it's normally supposed to be sealed and it slides back and forth. So once the seal pops out, or once you get a little rip in the boot, dirt is going to enter and you're going to have this problem. So this is one of the reasons why brake calipers go bad. All right, there's a little boot there you can see. Okay, when you see a rip in that, it's highly recommended to change the caliper or rebuild the caliper, whichever one you want to do. All right, same thing, the boot goes with these sliding pins. Right, these pins are supposed to slide in and out with ease. All right, in and out. That's what it's designed to do. But once the boot rips and you get dirt in there, it's not going to slide. And if it doesn't slide, caliper does not work the way it's supposed to. And you're going to wear out brakes really fast. As in this one, it wore out the pads right into the rotor. Needed everything. All right, that's it. Caliper 101. Look at the dirt. Not supposed to be in there. Should be smooth as glass. All right. Thanks for watching. This looks like a rebuilt caliper too. So I don't even know if that's the original boot, but it is what it is. Thanks for watching. Ciao.